Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 9th of February. Here's your weather wisdom for today. And we have a pretty nice day on tap. Lots of sunshine. It's cold this morning. Lots of spots near 0 degrees. Not quite as cold in Boston, but it's a cold morning nevertheless. And we have a cold weather advisory to the north and the west, but that's going to expire in a couple of hours. Temperatures this afternoon will generally be, so let's call it 22 to 29 degrees, something like that. Wind chill value is a little chilly, but nothing excessive, and certainly not as cold as it was yesterday. Although I did get out and do about a 35, 40-minute walk, even with the dog yesterday. I had to pick him up once because his little paws were just a little cold in the snow. But, he was a champ and muddled on through. I think I calculated about 5,000 steps worth of walking yesterday outside, so not too bad. All right, tonight, clear. Temperature in the single digits to teens. Tomorrow, we have a Clipper system moving in. Clipper system so named because they're named for those fast-moving ships of old, and that's why they're called that. So this is a very fast-moving little thing. Starved for moisture, but we'll see a little bit of snowfall probably in the evening. Could be a coating to an inch or two. That's about it. Most of the two would be north and west of Boston. The coating would be probably around the city. We'll see. I'll take another look at it tomorrow. No big deal. It's out of here for Tuesday night. So after being in the low 30s tomorrow, we stay in the 20s tomorrow night. And we actually should be more typically cold here the rest of the week because Wednesday we'll see partly sunny skies, mid-30s, and then it's low to mid-30s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Maybe up near 40 by Sunday. And then we'll have to watch and see whether or not a storm system impacts us around President's Day. That's the next chance of anything serious. Still a week away, so that's all I'll say about that. So all in all, things are going to improve in terms of the deep cold, at least for a little while. Have a great morning, everybody.